Hey everyone, and welcome to the craft room. My name's Julianne Richards and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in southern Tasmania. I thought I'd pop on and just show a short little video this time showing you how to assemble the City Sites kit. Here it is here, the paperwork that came with it. Cute little kit, bit different to anything that I've had in the craft room up till now. It is a stamping kit, so you've got a little stamp there that you have to add some stamping to the kit, so it makes it a little bit more interesting. It's quite a masculine looking card. Has a city skyline there with some sentiments and some nice blues and greys and things there as well. You get 8 cards in the kit, 4 each of 2 designs. You've got a happy birthday and a thinking of you today there as well. So yeah, really nice. I'll show you the 2 cards. It might be a bit more detail than you can see here. I already popped the 2 cards together here while I was preparing. The happy birthday there with a bit of a skyline and some stamping on a sort of circular focal point. I'm going to pop that up a bit higher when I do it with you here. And this one here, thinking of you today, which is again a little bit more stamping that little skyline with the pretty sort of quite artistic background there. Each card comes with its own sort of themed envelope. So that one there with the blue themed card, and this one here with the sort of beige themed card there as well. So the whole thing, you basically, as with all our kits, you get everything you need to make the cards in the kit. I do choose to substitute out the little ink dot that they give us. They give us an ink dot, so that's the pebble path. I find it easier to use my full size ink pad, which I'll use today. Just makes it a bit easier to do the stamping, so that's the only thing I substitute out as far as that's concerned. Everything else is used as per the kit. Okay, so let's make the cards as they show. I don't know, we'll make this one first anyway. So this is a landscape card, so the score is at the top. I'll just give that a little bit of a burnish. First thing you need to do is grab this little beige piece of pre-cut paper here, and it needs to be stamped with our skyline image. So that's this one with the buildings. So as I say, pebble path ink, use a little dot in the inked dot in the kit if you haven't got pebble path, but full size one makes it a bit easier. You can line it up. I'm going to bring it a bit closer to me so I actually get over the top of this one and stamp down centrally. There we are. So you just get that really nice skyline there, sort of buildings. Okay, so that's the stamping there. What then also you've got, these are really nice, and I assume that would be like a misty moonlight corrugated sort of accent, so it's like cardboard there. So we're using that, and we've got a little thinking of you as well. So what we need to do is grab our skyline, we flip it over, we grab the dimensionals that they give you with the kit. We're going to put dimensionals on each of those 3 buildings. There we are. And some double-sided tape along the bottom. This is all in the instructions. I only know because I've just looked at the instructions. So it's still fresh in my mind. You can follow the wonderful picture instructions pretty easily. Okay, so let's do that, she says, making sure she can see the card so she knows what she's doing. Okay, so we've got dimensionals on the back of that piece already. I did that while I was preparing. And our little building sits just on there, just overlapping the building a wee bit, just with that piece of double-sided tape on the back. Okay, then we've got this one here, this thinking of you, and I've already got the little dimensionals on the back of that as well. And that's going to go over the edge of that. So, yeah, just like that. So the one thing you can definitely say about this little this little kit card, it's got plenty of dimension, plenty of 3D interest. So we'll just take the backings off the dimensionals there and on our little buildings as well. And this is just going to go straight onto our card base. just like that. Okay, then they give some beautiful metallic, bronze metallic bling, and that's just going to go around. So we just use 3. There's plenty of bling there for all the cards you do, the whole 8 cards. Probably some leftovers too, I should think. And this one is done. Nice and quick and easy, even with that stamping. That's nice and quick. Okay, so that's the first one. Second card from the kit. Bring it in again so you can see it, and so I can see it too. I'm going to set it a bit higher, I decided. It's this one here with the circle there. So we've got this little spotty stamp all blocked up. This is the one we need to use. Let's bring the bits in. So we've got the card base here. And again, there's a little beige circle, a happy birthday this time, and another one of those little corrugated iron or corrugated cardboard elements. Okay, so let's stamp this. Bring in my ink. There we are. So that just adds sort of like little windows in the image, just some texture really. And then this one, we've got to pop some dimensionals on the back. Just clean my thing a bit there. I would have done that, would have put the dimensionals on first, but I couldn't have stamped it at the same time. So we'll just pop the dimensionals around there now. To be a wee bit careful with the placement. It's quite narrow, but it's just right. Backings off those. We'll bring in our card base. And as I said, a little bit higher this time, so actually see those buildings and things there behind through that little window there that we've created. Okay. Then our happy birthday and our little piece, highlight piece go on there. The happy birthday onto there. And then both of them onto here. Now this is where I slightly deviate from the pattern. I'm going to pop, just to support that little end there, I feel that I need to pop a dimensional under there. They haven't said to do that, but I think, personally, I think it needs it, just to stop it falling down. There we are. Perfect. Okay, so our bling again, we've got 3 bling. And really, you can pop them wherever you like, but I'll use the suggested locations. Here we are. Okay, so that's the second card in the kit. As I say, you get 4 of this one and 4 of the first one. So that's 8 altogether. So it's a nice, as I say, nice masculine sort of lean to a card with its envelopes and those 8 there. So again, that's our City Sites kit, available now as an online exclusive through Stampin' Up. If you're interested in that one, or if you've seen my video that I just popped up about the Hello Hollyhocks, both of these kits are new, and you can buy them through my online store, or just give me a call and I'll help you place your order. So thanks very much, and I'll talk to you all again soon.